When you think of foam pipe insulation, you probably picture it wrapped around pipes in your basement, keeping them cozy and frost-free. But this humble, spongy material is far more versatile than just cold weather companion for your plumbing. From do-it-yourself projects to everyday problem-solving hacks, foam pipe insulation has a lot more to offer. Let's dive into some of the best alternative uses for foam pipe insulation that are not only practical but also easy to implement and fun to try out. Number 1. Protect your car doors. If you're tired of dinging your car doors against the walls of your garage, foam pipe insulation is the perfect solution. Cut the insulation into the length of your car door, then attach it to the wall where your car door usually swings open. Now, every time you open your car door, it will softly bump into the foam instead of scratching the paint and leaving dents. Number 2. Babyproofing made easy. Sharp edges and corners around the house can be dangerous for little ones learning to walk. Foam pipe insulation can be cut lengthwise and slipped over the edges of coffee tables, countertops, and even fireplace hearths to create a soft bumper. It's a simple, inexpensive way to baby-proof your home without sacrificing style or comfort. Number 3. Draft dodgers for doors. Keep the cold air out and the warm air in during winter months by using foam pipe insulation as a draft dodger. Simply cut the insulation to the width of your door and slide it under the door to block out drafts. It's an energy-saving trick that can help reduce your heating bills while keeping your home more comfortable. Number 4. Cable and cord management. If your cables and cords are a tangled mess, foam pipe insulation can help you organize them. Cut the insulation to the desired length, slice it open lengthwise, and run your cables through it. This keeps them neatly bundled and protected from wear and tear. You can also label each section of the foam to know which cord belongs to which device. Number 5. Cushion your tools. Are your gardening tools, shovels, or rakes hard on your hands? Foam pipe insulation can add a layer of comfort to the handles. Just wrap a piece of insulation around the handle and secure it with some tape or zip ties. Your hands will thank you, especially during long days of yard work. Number 6. Do-it-yourself camera or equipment case. Need to transport delicate equipment like cameras or electronics? Foam pipe insulation can be used to line a box or case, providing a cushioned layer of protection. Cut the insulation into smaller pieces and arrange them around your equipment to prevent any bumps or jostling during transport. Number 7. Create comfortable grips for do-it-yourself projects. If you're doing a lot of do-it-yourself work, like planting or using tools with thin handles, your hands can get tired and sore. Foam pipe insulation makes for an excellent makeshift grip. Just cut a piece to size and wrap it around the handle of your tool or paintbrush. The foam will reduce the strain on your hands, making those do-it-yourself projects a little more comfortable. Number 8. Protect your Christmas decorations. Foam pipe insulation can be a lifesaver when it comes to storing fragile Christmas decorations like lights and ornaments. Cut the insulation into smaller sections and use it to wrap around lights or to cushion ornaments inside their storage boxes. It's a simple way to keep your holiday treasures safe year after year. Number 9. Custom padding for exercise equipment. Foam pipe insulation is a great material for adding padding to home exercise equipment. Wrap it around the bars of your weightlifting bench, the handles of your rowing machine, or even the frame of a stationary bike to make your workout sessions more comfortable. Plus, it's easy to replace if it wears out. Number 10. Bumper guard for furniture. Moving furniture around can be tricky, especially if you're trying to avoid damaging your walls or other pieces. Foam pipe insulation can be cut to size and attached to the corners of your furniture, acting as a soft bumper that protects both the furniture and your walls from scratches and dents. Number 11. Gardening hacks. Foam pipe insulation can also be used to protect young plants and trees in your garden. Wrap insulation around the base of your plants to prevent damage from lawnmowers, trimmers, or even frost. It's also handy for supporting growing plants by wrapping it around stakes or trellises, providing a soft surface that won't damage stems or leaves. Number 12. Transporting long items. If you've ever tried to transport long items like fishing rods, ski poles, or even curtain rods, you know they can easily get scratched or damaged. Foam pipe insulation can act as a protective cover. Slide it over the length of the item and secure it with tape or zip ties to keep it in place. Now your long, delicate items are ready for safe transport. Number 13. Soundproofing solution. Need to dampen sound in a particular area of your home? Foam pipe insulation can be used to fill gaps around doors, windows, or even between floorboards to reduce noise transfer. While it's not a full soundproofing solution, it can help muffle sound and create a quieter environment. Number 14. Pool noodle substitute. If you're a fan of pool noodles but need something more compact, foam pipe insulation is a great alternative. Use it in the pool for kids to play with, or even as a makeshift flotation device. Just be sure to supervise children when they're using it, as it's not designed as a safety device. Foam pipe insulation is more than just the practical material for keeping your pipes warm in the winter. It's a versatile tool that can be used in countless ways around your home, from protecting your belongings to making daily tasks a bit more comfortable. With these alternative uses, you'll never look at foam pipe insulation the same way again. So the next time you're at the hardware store, grab an extra pack. You'll be surprised at how many problems this simple material can solve. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.